Armed with a little information care of the service manual this afternoon, I decided to go and check out the fuel pressures on my M104. As you can see, the system pressure is supposed to be between 6.2 and 6.4 bar. This is the interesting measurement that I really want to check out. If this is too high, it can result in a lean running engine. Now this is the lower chamber pressure. This is not the system pressure. When the valve is in the open position, as seen here, you now get to see the system pressure. And as you can see, it is in fact out of specification. That is 6.6 bar. That is well out of the acceptable range. Closed again, you now see the lower chamber pressure, and that is supposed to be 0.4 bar less than the system pressure. So we can say safely that the EHA valve is in fact working properly, and we have an issue with the main system pressure. This is just the arrangement of the lines with the fuel pressure tester. When you have a system pressure issue, this is the steps that you have to follow. Number one, you test the fuel pump. Well, I don't need to do that because they're brand new. The second thing, unfortunately, is the most expensive thing. You have to replace the fuel pressure regulator. Now, I'm suspicious of this anyway because there is fuel leaking out of its leak line, so that tells me straight away it's end of the line anyway. Unfortunately, these are very expensive, so I'm just going to have to buy one.